Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to extract the first and the last name from full name. In this Excel sheet, we have a column with the customer name. We need to extract the first name and the last name from this customer name. We just have to type the first name, select the cell and press Ctrl E, which will give me the first name. Suppose if you want to get the last name, you'll just press the last name and then press Ctrl E, we'll get the last name. Suppose if you want the first name and the last name in lowercase, let's type the name in lowercase and press Ctrl E, and in the last name as well, we'll type the name in lowercase. Press Ctrl E, we'll get the name in lowercase. Suppose if you want the names in capital letters or uppercase, let's type the name in uppercase. Press Ctrl E, we'll get the result in uppercase. Let's take the last name and type the name in uppercase. Press Ctrl E, we'll get the result in uppercase. So likewise, we can use this flash fill to extract the first name or the last name from a full name. Thank you so much for watching this video.